Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, my dear students of grade 4 for the revision on concept 1 in science. We are talking here about adaptation, as you remember, and we are going to solve some questions about adaptation, inshallah. Here we have the questions. Let's go start the first question. Choose the correct answer. Number one of the reasons that the living organisms adapt the choices: climate, forest fires, earthquakes, pollution. Yes, the answer is A, climate. Very good, very good. The answer is climate. The living organisms change their behavior, change their body structure to adapt with the climate. Okay. The tiger chameleon has space to hide among the green leaves and flowers. The choices: long tail, brightly colored scales, shaped feet, and the eyes, which is correct. To hide among leaves of the trees, it has a chameleon. It has brightly colored scales. Very good. Very good. After that, question number 3. The camel can adapt in the desert because it has thick white fur, hump and flat feet, wings, big ears. Yes, correct. Hump and flat feet. The camel has hump to store fats and flat feet uh, to walk on the sand without sinking. Very good. After that, we have question number 4. The fennec fox has golden fur to space, run fast in the desert, to warm, to hide in the desert. No correct answer. The golden fur help it to hide, of course, to hide, not to warm, not to run fast, but to hide. The fur help the golden fox or the fennec fox to hide in the desert. Number 5, an animal that has the ability to hide in the desert. Which animal has the ability to hide in the desert? Carnivores and mammal, desert fox, desert lizard, all of them. Of course, very good. The answer will be all of them because we have the caracal, which is a wild cat which can hide in the desert with brown or golden fur, and the desert fox also, or the fennec fox, has a golden fur to hide in the desert, and the lizard also has scales, colored scales to hide in the desert. So we have here some animals can hide in the desert, like the caracal or carnivorous mammal, and the desert fox and the desert lizard. Now we can move to the second question. True or false? True or false? Number 1, the bat feed on the blood of human. Is it correct? The bat feed on the blood of human. Is it correct? Is it dangerous like this? Of course not. The bat doesn't feed on the blood of human, but the bat feeds on what? Bugs and insects, as we learn. Bugs and insects, not on the human blood. Number 2, penguins live in polar climate in Antarctica. The penguin live in polar climate. Very good. In cold region in the South Pole, Antarctica. It is called Antarctica. So this answer is A. This is correct. Very good. Number 3, the fennec fox live in tundra. The fennec fox live in tundra, in ice and the snow. Of course not. We know that the fennec fox live in the desert. In Egypt desert, we have fennec fox. So this answer is A, wrong, because there is a wrong word here, tundra. But the correct is A, the correct in the desert. Okay, very good. Number 4, the polar bear has thick white fur to warm and hide. The polar bear, very good, has thick white fur, of course, and it has also fats, a lot of fats under the skin to hide and to warm its body. So all are correct. All statement is A correct. So make here correct. Okay. After that, question number 5. The structural adaptation is a change in the behavior of animal. Is it structural adaptation or behavioral adaptation? We have here a mistake. Structural adaptation, not correct. But when we are saying behavioral adaptation, it will be correct. So the structural adaptation is wrong, but the correct is what? The correct is behavioral adaptation. So this statement is wrong. Number 6, the bull shark can live in salty water only. Is it correct? We know that the bull shark has many adaptations and amazing. The bull shark can live in salty water and it can live also in the fresh water. So it has a structural adaptation, and also it has two different colors in the body back, different from the body bottom. The back is dark blue and the bottom is white to hide by a color, a contrast. So the bull shark has a structural adaptation which can live in salty water and also fresh water. So this will be a wrong. The statement will be wrong. Okay, it can live in salty water and also in fresh water. Number 7, agama lizard and tiger chameleon are from reptiles. Very good. And they have cold blood. Yes, they are from reptiles like snake, like crocodile. They are reptiles. So they have cold blood. Their body blood and the temperature of the body changes with the change of the temperature. If it is cold, their body become cold. If the weather is hot, their body become hot, and so on. So this is the cold blood animals, and they are reptiles. All is a statement is correct, not wrong. It is correct. It will be correct. This statement is a correct. The lizard and the chameleon are from reptiles and have cold a blood. This is the first part of the revision. Wait for the second part after a while, inshallah. Good luck.